Love sushi but tired of paying restaurant prices? Introducing the ALAS Sushi Making Kit. This complete set includes everything you need to roll sushi like a pro. From bamboo sushi mats to a rice bazooka and a sushi knife. Chopsticks, avocado slicer, and cucumber slicer are also included. With this kit, making California rolls, maki, or nigiri is simple. Perfect for beginners, the kit comes with a sushi cookbook. Plus, there's a free ebook to guide you through the process. No experience? No problem. You'll be rolling sushi in no time. All materials are BPA-free, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. Why spend money at a restaurant when you can make fresh sushi at home? Check out the link in the description to grab your own sushi making kit today.